How can I test a tachometer? Are you curious about how to test a tachometer on your motorcycle? Understanding how to check this important gauge can help you maintain your bike and troubleshoot any issues. Let's break down the steps you can take to ensure your tachometer is working properly. First, let's clarify what a tachometer does. This device measures the revolutions per minute of your motorcycle's engine. Accurate readings are essential for both performance and maintenance. There are two main types of tachometers: contact and non-contact. Contact tachometers requiring a physical connection to a rotating part, while non-contact tachometers use lasers or infrared light to measure RPM without touching the engine. Most motorcycles use electronic tachometers that connect to the ignition system. To test your tachometer, you can use a digital multimeter. Start by setting the multimeter to the alternating current voltage setting. Locate the tachometer wire in your motorcycle's wiring harness. This wire usually connects to the ignition system. Connect the negative lead of the multimeter to a good ground on the motorcycle's frame. Then, connect the positive lead to the tachometer wire. Start the engine and let it idle. Observe the multimeter reading. You should see a stable alternating current voltage at idle. As you rev the engine, the voltage should increase and decrease with the RPM. If you see these changes, the tachometer is receiving a signal. Another option is to use a dwell tachometer. This specialized tool can directly measure engine RPM. Connect the meter according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically to the ignition coil. Start the engine and compare the meter's RPM reading with your dashboard tachometer. If the readings match, your tachometer is likely accurate. If you prefer a non-contact method, consider using a laser or optical tachometer. Point this device at a reflective mark on the engine's rotating part, such as the crankshaft pulley. The device measures the RPM by detecting the frequency of the reflected light. Compare this reading with your motorcycle's dashboard tachometer. For a rough estimate, you can also use a GPS device to correlate speed and gear ratios. While this method is less common for tachometer testing, it can be useful if other tools are unavailable. Before you start testing, remember to prioritize safety. Ensure your motorcycle is stable and the engine is off before making any electrical connections. Inspect the wiring for any loose or corroded connections that could cause tachometer issues. By following these steps, you can effectively test your tachometer and ensure it is functioning correctly. Regular checks can help maintain your motorcycle's performance and prevent more serious issues down the road.